I wanted to show you these jewelry making hooks that I purchased. My daughter and her friends and I really like to make jewelry at home. We think it's like a fun activity, so I keep all these supplies for them when she has friends over, or just for her and I. So here is like the gold one. Both of us have really sensitive ears, and we like, where we can get like reactions to things, and we're totally fine using these. So I just wanted to give you like a close-up look. So it comes with plenty, which I also like, because then I can like have her and her friends do them, not really like worried about how much they're using or anything like that. So it comes with all of these. It comes with the jump rings and then the backs. So I wanted to show you what the silver look like. So, really nice, easy to use. We've made a bunch of different earrings out of them. I was trying to find one, but I think my daughter has most of them. And then all the backs. So also good to have, because then you can just like use them as extra backs also for other things. If you need something like this, again, it comes with so many, which I really love. It's like such a great value and a really nice product. We're happy with these.